Alright, what's up guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you how to do a ball out on the trampoline. So basically land on your back and then do a front flip. I like doing them like landing straight on my back rather than doing them like doing a front flip and then doing them. So that's just me. So that's how I do my ball out. And so let's dive right into it. So first of all, you want to get a lot of height for this trick if you're wanting to land a ball out. So you want to get a lot of height, all right? Get a lot of height, and then when you land, you want to land kind of on your upper back, on your mid to upper back. So you're gonna land like boom, and then you're gonna land with your feet up in the air. You're not gonna land like this, you know, like a kaboom or anything like that. You're gonna land with your feet up in the air, and then your feet, and then you're gonna throw your arms and your feet into the air towards doing a front flip, and then you're gonna tuck like crazy. All right, this trick is pretty scary at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll get it. So throw your arms as soon as you land on your back. Throw your arms, all right, forward and towards a front flip, forward and up, all right, and then throw your feet. So kind of like you're doing a kip up, all right. If you saw a kip up tutorial, you're gonna want to like kip up and then just like tuck, all right. That's pretty much the movement, and then just go for it. You'll get it after a while. So I'll show you. So that's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. God bless. Have a great day. Click the link in the description for a free for a backflip ebook, and my Instagram below. God bless. Have a great day.